Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to integrate DSers with Shopify. DSers is a dropshipping app that allows you to connect your Shopify store to a number of different suppliers. This makes it easy to add products to your store without having to buy any inventory upfront. If you're looking to start a dropshipping business, or if you're already using Shopify and want to add more products to your store, then this video is for you. What is DSers? Before we get into the steps of integrating DSers with Shopify, let's take a quick look at what DSers is and how it can benefit you. DSers is a dropshipping app that allows you to connect your Shopify store to a number of different suppliers. This means that you can add products to your store without having to buy any inventory upfront. DSers also offers a number of other features, such as automatic order fulfillment, product listing and optimization, order tracking, customer support. Benefits of using DSers. There are a number of benefits to using DSers. Here are a few of the most important. Save time and money. DSers can help you save time and money by automating your order fulfillment process. Increase your product selection. DSers gives you access to a wide range of products from different suppliers. Improve your customer experience. DSers can help you provide a better customer experience by offering fast shipping and tracking. How to integrate DSers with Shopify. Now that we know what DSers is and how it can benefit us, let's get into the steps of integrating it with Shopify. Step 1. Create a DSers account. The first step is to create a DSers account. You can do this by going to the DSers website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you have created an account, you will need to verify your email address. Step 2. Install the DSers app. The next step is to install the DSers app on your Shopify store. You can do this by going to the Shopify App Store and searching for DSers. Once you have found the DSers app, click on the Add to Cart button. Step 3. Connect your DSers account to your Shopify store. Once you have installed the DSers app, you will need to connect your DSers account to your Shopify store. You can do this by going to the DSers app settings and entering your DSers API key. You can find your DSers API key on the DSers website under My Account. Step 4. Import products from DSers. Once you have connected your DSers account to your Shopify store, you can start importing products from DSers. You can do this by going to the DSers app and clicking on the Products tab. Once you are on the Products tab, you can search for products by keyword or category. When you find a product that you want to import, click on the Add to Cart button. Step 5. Set up your shipping and pricing. Once you have imported products from DSers, you will need to set up your shipping and pricing. You can do this by going to the DSers app and clicking on the Settings tab. Under the Shipping tab, you can set up your shipping rates. Under the Pricing tab, you can set up your pricing rules. Step 6. Launch your products. Once you have set up your shipping and pricing, you can launch your products. You can do this by going to your Shopify store and clicking on the Products tab. Once you are on the Products tab, you can click on the Publish button for each product that you want to launch. Integrating DSers with Shopify is a great way to add more products to your store without having to buy any inventory upfront. DSers is a powerful tool that can help you save time and money, increase your product selection, and improve your customer experience. I hope this video has helped you learn how to integrate DSers with Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're looking to start a dropshipping business, or if you're already using Shopify and want to add more products to your store, then I encourage you to give DSers a try. Thanks for watching.